What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be covering the candle body ratio report on edgeful.com. So this was a requested report. It's kind of built around the concept of TPO, or time price opportunity, something you guys might know about it as a market profile. But I'm going to be looking at the Russell 2000 futures. I'm looking at the New York session in the trailing 1 year. And what this report measures is what times of day, so you can see these are all 30-minute increments, have the larger body to the full candle ratio. Now that might be confusing, but I will show you here on the Russell 2000, the 2 p.m. Eastern time. You can see that typically, this is a really great example here, 2 p.m. Eastern time, the body of the candle here makes up a very large portion of the candle size. So you can see that what I have filtered right now is, if you click on this little cog, 30-minute time frame. Now the candle to body ratio that I want is 90%. So that means that I want the body of the candle to make up at least 90% of the entire candle size. So for example, this candle right here would not fall into this category. This candle here, let me just switch to the 30-minute here, sorry about that. Let me switch to that 30-minute there. Let me just find that day quickly. This is the Friday the 5th. Let me just go to Friday the 5th right here, perfect. So you can see that this candle, obviously the body of the candle is not 90% of the total height of the candle, obviously, because it's a very small portion. But now if you go to the 2 p.m. right here, you can see that this body is a lot bigger. So why do you want candles with bigger bodies relative to the full candle size? You want it because that means that there's more continuation in that candle. Unlike here, clearly I would say that maybe 40% of this candle is made up of the body and the other 60% is made up of this wick here. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. So what happens is there's continuation up and then you get reversed on. So what you don't, ideally you want to be in candles that have a lot more body because you're not going to get reversed on if you're catching this move. So what this report shows you is what times of day tend to have the strongest moves and the strongest continuation. So on RTY in the last year, in the New York session, 2 p.m. tends to have the biggest and strongest moves where the bodies of the candles makes up at least 90% of the entire candle size. The morning is also a good place, but throughout the day is a little bit lower. So you want to be focusing on the morning, you want to be focusing on this afternoon 2 p.m. area. But for example here, this is probably not a candle that you really want to be trading, this 30-minute one that I have selected here, just because it opened, it came up, then it came all the way back down, then it came back up, and now maybe you're getting stopped out throughout that candle, whereas something like this bigger candle is a lot easier to capture because it continued very high up, came back down, and then now the candle closed. So capturing a move like this is a lot more stress-free than trying to make money in a candle like this. So that's how you can use this report. We also have it by weekday. Please check out the customizations. You can play around with this. You can check different proportions of the body to the candle ratio. You can change this from 30 to 15 minute. And we have some explainer text down here, some more down there. And if you want access to our TradingView indicators, just click on this, put your TradingView username right here, which you can find by clicking on your profile button. You'll find it right there. Mine is edgeful. You can put in yours and you can get access to all of our TradingView indicators and then all of the future ones as well. One thing I'll say is if you can see them here and they're not working, just refresh your TradingView, because if you can see them, then you have access to them. So if you have any questions, please let us know in support right here. You can send us an email. We'll answer any questions you have. If this video is helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you.